I have heard that you are an expert in company law compliance.
Yes, you heard right.
So, will you answer some of my questions?
Yes, please ask.
What is Form DPT-3?
Form DPT-3 is yearly return, which is used for filing return of deposit or particulars of transaction not considered as a deposit or both by every company.
What is the objective of DPT-3?
The main objective behind introducing the electronic form DPT-3 was disclosure of receipts considered as deposits and for the receipts not considered as deposits as per the Companies Act 2013.
Who should file Form DPT-3?
The MCA has made it mandatory for all companies registered in India except government companies to file Form DPT-3. Accordingly, if you are falling under any of the below category, you should file Form DPT-3 mandatorily. Private limited company, public limited company, one-person company OPC, small companies, startup companies, Section 8 companies, etc.
Who is not required to file DPT-3?
Companies incorporated after 1st April of the current financial year. Government companies, banking companies, non-banking financial companies, housing finance companies, any other company as notified.
What is the last date to file the DPT-3 form?
All the companies have to compulsorily file the DPT-3 form within 90 days from the end of the financial year, that is, before 30th of June.
What are the consequences if not filed the form before due date?
The company will have to pay additional fees if DPT-3 is filed beyond the due date. An MCA may impose penalty under Section 73 of the Companies Act 2013.
Thank you very much that you have satisfied us completely.